Hello guys, this is Rafa from Brazil striking again. Thank you very much for watching this video. Today I'm going to show you how things are going with the markets in this very complicated period of the year, which is the Christmas and the New Year's Eve, right? So what we have here, probably it's one of the most challenging situations that is to stay away from the charts. Staying away from the charts, it's charting. It is be trading, right? You're just out of the table. You're just like in the poker round, you're just out of that round. You fold out. There's no problem with that, right? And I don't see any good opportunity for now. Look, we have markets consolidating or trying to reverse in some moments. Look at this AUD CAD with high frequency on ADX. We can see it from here. Look how this tremendous dip down 150 pips, 1.65% on sell position, which is absolutely important. But this is a downtrend for now. If you take a look at the bigger time frames, you're going to see that we are on a downtrend for now, but it is just a pullback from the other charts, right? We have this tremendous, huge uptrend situation happening from here. And we are looking only on the 2 hours, right? So from here to here, we have 360 pips. And what we have last week was just a pullback, right, from AUD CAD. The same we can identify on AUD Chief. We have important news here. RBA mid and minutes. It's not that important news, but you just have to be paying attention, right? Well, trying to look for opportunities. That was a good opportunity from here to here. Look, we have that on Thursday. I would guarantee you that you could be at least here at 78 pips. Good, not that incredible, but good, respecting all the rules that we have. Look, ADX pointing up, a downtrend, a red background, which signifies a sell position, okay? AUD JPY, the same thing. AUD NZD, same thing. AUD USD, that was a huge downtrend that we have from last week, that a trend that became a sell trend from here, right? And we had at the maximum point 138. It could be out of the trade on 114, almost 15 pips, which is not that great, but it's something, right? It's something. CAD Chief, very mixed feelings. CAD JPY, we have been experimenting some indefinities with the CAD, so we must be aware of that. CHF JPY, we have been suffering from the JPY going stronger and weaker, so very undefined moment. We have this huge downtrend on CHF JPY, but if you go to the higher time frames, you'll see that this is just a pullback, right, from a more solid situation here. If you can have a trend line from here to here, and a trend line from here to here, so you're going to see that something is going on, right? Something is going on. We should be aware of that, and maybe we can see some instability right here. But we have this going up channel, right? So we must be taking care of those positions. Again, I'm looking at the 2 hours time frame, right? So we are in the middle of a channel here. AUD, Euro AUD, huge uptrend. That was a good trade, right? From last week. It was great. It was a huge uptrend. And the max point, you could have reached 285. And according to our rules point, it would be 224 pips, which is good, which is not that it's not that very common about Euro AUD, but it is good, right? It is very, very, very good. Euro CAD, let's see Euro CAD, how is it performing? It's channeling for now. Let's see the bigger picture from here. Again, an uptrend, we should be aware of that. It is a uptrend. There will be CAD news in the end of the week. Inflation rate, that's important, right? That's very, very important. We can see very clearly that we have a uptrend here, okay? So that's an uptrend where we should be taking care and looking for up positions. Okay, so you wait for now. Maybe we have good opportunities from here. It's tunneling uptrend. Okay, it's going up, so it's gonna be blue for now, and we'll resume the uptrend situation. Okay. Look, like right now it's tunneling right now. Maybe we're gonna have some interest from a daily perspectives, right? Euro Chief, nothing very interesting. That was a good trade that we have in our group. Sorry for that, guys. Look, it was a good trade at max point 140 on the requirement point 88 pips. According to the books, by the books, a good important news was around the beginning of Friday, and then we are having some interesting perspectives about Euro GBP. Now it's channeling a little bit. If you jump into the higher time frames, you will see that it is a uptrend. Definitely, it is a strong uptrend. It's struggling with the moving averages, but maybe it's something to keep an eye on, right? Look, huge uptrend here, huge uptrend. So maybe only maybe it's going to test the moving average, and then we'll still go up, right? What else? Euro JPY, another great trend we have this week. We won from here to here, 180 pips. According to our books, it would have been a great trade, huh? 150 pips. And we have won as well from here to here when we send those signals in our trading group. 133. Excellent trade. It was good. It is, if you did it according to our rules, you made money last week, right? Don't tell me against it. Okay? Euro NZD, a nice opportunity from here to here, and a max point 200 pips on the optimal point 162. If you're not familiar with those terms, please follow the link on the description area where I teach you every single aspect about this easy, direct, and very consistent trading system that we have here. Okay, so if you're not familiar about what I'm talking about, don't hesitate. Go to the link description area and make part of our group, make part of our family. The Forex Rafa, it's a educational purpose group where I can send some important information about possibilities and trading opportunities, right? And you can become familiar about this. It is very important to learn how to be in the market while make money, right? Euro USD, nothing very important. We don't see anything very clear for now. Very scratching charts, right? It is an uptrend. Definitely, it is an uptrend. If you go to the daily, we'll see clearly that is an uptrend for, it is an uptrend for now. Okay, we should be very careful about this because it is an important moment to the euro for now. Okay, so it is an uptrend. It's going up and down, but definitely it is struggling with the now stability that we have from here to here. It went down for a while. Now it's going up. So we should be very aware of how things are going for now. Okay. It is struggling to keep the upside movement, right? But it is definitely an uptrend. So let's keep an eye on that. Okay. We have some important news. Building permits. It's not that big important, but let's keep an eye. It's very undefined for now. Ooh, it's hot here in Brazil. GBP AUD, GBP CAD, nothing very interesting. GBP Chief, that was a beautiful downtrend that we had last week. I think I sent a signal on our group. Look at that, 120 picks. Buy the books, perfect, excellent trade. Now we have a good opportunity here. Maybe a good opportunity here. Let's keep an eye on that. All right. GBP JPY, GBP NZD, and GBP USD. good trades that we have last week. After this 142, according to the books, we have 110 pips. GBP is going down. It's going deeply down. Maybe it's an opportunity from here. Let's see if the ADX will correspond on that, because look how the downtrend was going lower the upside trend, right? So let's wait for now, guys. But what is interesting to understand is that we have this resistance here and this uh, support here, support and resistance. So price was struggling here, and then eventually when it came down, it is very clear that it has a strong movement going to this area, okay? So when this thing happens, it's a strong movement that is needed to indicate where price is going, okay? Very clear, very clear. All right, guys, I think that's it. Let's see gold. Let's see what's happening to gold. Going down. It was a great uptrend last week. Then we have corrections. Look at the 2 hours, how it is. Up, down, up, and down, up, and down. So very indefinite right now. It is an uptrend on the higher time frames. That's for sure. Okay. So let's keep an eye on the situation from here to here. Don't be very greedy, because gold is very complicated to trade. Guys, that's it. Please hit the like button. Please subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to be more often here. Now the World Cup is over. I'll be much less overwhelmed about everything that I have to do. There's interesting things happening on the backstage here on the Forex Rafa group. Very interesting things are going to happen in 2023. Stay tuned. More signals, more time, more live sessions, more informations about markets. I'll have partners. Things are going bigger. Things are growing, and I want you that are here, you that is here, you are here on our group. I want you to stay with me. I want you to follow the group. I want you to follow the system that it can be game changing in 2023, right? That's it, guys. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please hit the like button. Please subscribe. Please hit the bell for you to be notified when I post new videos. And of course, if you'd like to make part of our family, there's a link on the description area. It's very, very low cost, if you can imagine how much money you can make, right? Think about that. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you next time. Bye-bye.